Lego Technic Off-Road. Its name is Race Buggy. And it's for 8 plus kaso, 6-pack ko. And then, this is what it looks like in the front. And then here at the top. Here's in the back. And then here's in the bottom.
What does it do?
That one.
You can steer. There's suspension. Okay. So you're going to build this?
Yeah.
Okay. Go. How many bags?
2.
Only 2 bags?
The back is wider and this one is thin. Bucket seats with seat belt, sticker seat belt, and the doors can open or close. And some headlights, and then more lights. And then the big
Wings.
wigs. And then when you move it, you can see moving pistons. I guess.
Can you show it again? Oh, pistons are moving, right? How does it move?
Move?
How does it move, the piston?
Ah.
Can you describe?
In the back, this one is the differential. This one is hitting the pistons.
Once you turn the wheel.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this is, it can turn right or left. Just do like this.
It's easy to drive.
Yes, just like this.
Okay. Did you build it by yourself?
Yes, kahapon.
Did you enjoy building?
Yes. And also, I built a Pokemon.
But this model is for 8 years old. You're only 7.
6?
6. Oh. Were you able to do it?
I need some help.
From
Mommy?
Mommy help you?
Yes.
Okay. Siya nga, sample mo. Sample mo.
Drive?
Oh yeah, how do you drive it? Go left and go right. Left, right. Can you go through the obstacle? Sige nga, try mo sa obstacle. Run over the obstacle. Like this. Okay. So, what other Lego do we need to build?
All of those.
We still need to build the car
Big
carrier,
one and this one.
the speed champion.
One.
We have finished the Porsche,
And the Ferrari.
the Ferrari,
And then more.
and many speed champions,
And also
and
some.
Formula One,
And also this one.
and our RC.
And also this one. It comes with a dog.
Our Range Rover. This is our parking lot.
Yes, looks like SM.
And our mini Formula One.
Yeah. We have a
What's that? What team? McLaren.
McLaren, Red Bull,
Red Bull.
Ferrari, Petron, and Mercedes,
Mercedes. Who's the driver of Mercedes?
Hamilton,
How about the Ferrari?
huh?
How about the Ferrari? Who's the driver? Leclerc. Red Bull. Who's the driver?
Max Verstappen,
Verstappen. And then
Oscar Piastri,
Piastri and who's the other one?
Norris.
Lando Norris.